Good day to you, ma'am and sir. I'm Levelyn Aceres, 38 years old. I have married. I have one daughter. I'm a high school graduate. My religion is Christian. I have one brother and one sister. I'm the eldest of them. My working experience as domestic helper here in the Philippines, taking care of 2 children for 2 years. I give them nutrition food, vitamins, and I'll take them a bath. And I love as my own children. I do a household chores like cooking, washing, ironing, and cleaning the house, and car washing and marketing. I've already finished my training, domestic work NC2. During my training, I learned basic Cantonese language. I learned how to cook Chinese food dishes like stir-fry vegetable, steamed pork belly with salted and egg vegetable, and soy chicken. Ma'am and sir, I promise to you I will do my duties. I'm a responsible, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking. And I promise to you I will finish my 2 years contract. And I hope you will choose me as your domestic helper. Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Thank you.